Hello everybody. Today we are just going to see what is meant by goal-based agent with an example. So before getting into this topic, we just want to know the difference between simple reflex and model-based agent. So which we seen in the last few videos. So simple reflex agent selects action based on the agent current perception of the world and not based on the past perception. It can handle a full observation environment, whereas a model-based agent is designed to deal with partial accessibility. They do this by keeping track of the part of the world it can see now. So we have discussed mobile-based reflex agent as a way to design simple enemies. So now we're just going to see what is meant by goal-based agent. It expands on the concept of model-based agent, which understand the world around them by implementing the desired outcome or goal to be reached. It chooses the action in order to achieve goal. We know the name itself indicates it is goal. So it going to be the understand the world around them by implementing the desired outcome, which is the goal to be reached. It chooses the action in order to achieve a goal. What are the action? It will choose based on that. It is the one which chooses its action in order to achieve goals, right? It is a problem solving agent and is more flexible than model reflex agent. Goal based agent consider the future actions. Goal based agents have targets or goals that they need to achieve and don't work on simple reactive measures. Goal based agents are supposed to act to achieve the specified goal in long term. It uses searching and planning to act in most efficient solution to achieve goal. Goal-based agent approach is more flexible than reflex agent since the knowledge supporting a decision is explicitly modeled, thereby allowing for identification. It is the description of desirable situations. So let me see with some more example. We consider a very simple behavior of the AI enemy, which can be stated in the form of following condition action rule. If patrolling and no enemy in sight, then patrol predefined path. If patrolling and enemy in sight, switch mode from patrolling to chasing. If chasing and enemy in sight, move towards enemy. I hope you getting. If chasing an enemy not in sight, move towards enemy's last location. If enemy's last location and enemy not in sight and cooldown timer not started, then start cooldown timer. If enemy's last location and enemy not in sight and cooldown timer expired, then change mode to returning to the post. If returning to the post and enemy in sight, then set mode to chasing. If returning to post and reached patrolling path and set mode to patrolling. So very simple example for goal based agent, which means chasing a enemy, chasing a thief we can say. So if they found enemy, they chase them. If not, what are the action going to be? If not, they going to choose last location of the enemies. If they reach last location, if not found enemy, then start the cooldown timer. If the cooldown timer starts and enemy is not in sight, then cooldown timer expires and returning to the post. So this is all how the enemy going to chase by using this goal based agent. This is one example we can say it as. Now as you notice, we are still using condition action rule like we did in simple reflex agent. The differentiating factor here is that we can maintain an internal state and model of the game environment and use it to take decisions. However, note that decisions are still being taken using predefined condition action rules. Got it? I hope you're getting. So what if we want to make our AI guards somewhat smarter? What if we want them to figure out what to do themselves by understanding their situation and possible paths of action? This might be needed if our guard needs to choose between multiple possible responses like continue patrolling, investigate sounds, chase intruder, stay in sight of other guards, go sound the alarm. So this might be the another possible responses might be we can make some A better. So now instead of having predefined condition action rule, for choosing the action, our guard should choose the action the best aligned with his goal. If we set the goal to be capture intruder, then the guard will always give precedence to chase intruder and investigate sounds, as these action bring the guard to this goal of the capturing the intruder. Similarly, if we set the goal to stay safe, the guard would always choose to continue patrolling and stay in sight of other guards. So this is very simple example how the reflex agent going to handle the particular situation, example of patrolling the chasing the enemies, and how can be efficiently make it handle in case of goal based agent. This is what the difference between the reflex agent, how it's going to handle, and how the goal based agent is going to get handled that particular information, particular problem. So we know goal based agent mainly focus on reaching the goal set, and hence the decision took by the agent is based on how far it is currently from their goal and desirable state. It minimizes their distance from the goal. More flexible, and agent develop its decision making skill by choosing the right from the various options available. We can clearly say it as goal based agent example is GPRS. Whatever we say that chasing the enemies, whatever the thing, right? So very simple example we can day to day life we are using as GPRS. And next, this is the example, sorry, this is the diagrammatic representation of what is meant by goal based agent. So here as usual we have seen in model based agent, right? State how the world evolves, what my action do, what are the goals, what this world is like now through sensor, and through sensor will get by through environment, perceiving the environment, what the action it will be like if I do action A, what the action I should do now. So after capturing all those informations around, the actuator will get taken place through, it will happens through action in the environment. So this is what the goal based agent is mainly about. So the certain example I can also say for goal based agent is searching robot that has an initial location and want to reach a destination. So best example I can say it, right? GPRS. So searching an information. So start an initial location. Say for an example, if we want to start from one place to another place for a trip, so we just safely we just mapping the information. We give initial location, and through destination we will give. So through the map goes, we just tracking informations. We just reach the particular location. So searching the information. So that can be done using this goal based agent, and this is what is meant by goal based agent. Thank you.